1 minute to connect your smart shades to the app. Before starting, make sure your phone is on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and your Echo Eero is connected in the app. Each shade blind has its own QR code attached to the signal wire. Switch on the shades. Press and hold the P button for 5 seconds until the motor jogs twice. Open the Amazon Alexa. Tap Plus and select Add Device. Scroll down and choose Other, then select Matter. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code and wait for the pairing process to complete. Select the room or location where the shade will be installed. Customize the name of the shade. Test the shade to ensure it responds correctly. Now you can control your smart shades blinds through the app and with voice commands. Alexa, open all blinds. Set the time you would like the shade of blinds to open or close. Tap blind and select Create a Routine. Under When, select the desired time. Under Alexa Will, tap Add an Action Gives Smart Home, Gives Interior Blinds, Gives Select the Blind Shade. Choose the desired action open or close, and save the routine.